Yeah, these are the three main mountains in our country. What is the highest mountain in Sri Lanka? Show me highest mountain. Pidrutalagala mountain. Show me Pidrutalagala mountain here. Did you break it?
Broke.
This is the Pidrutalagala mountain which we have been.
So beautiful. My amma only made it though.
This is Pidrutalagala mountain. The height of this mountain is nearly 2,563 or something. And this is located at Kandy after Gampala. After passing Ramboda Lake, you can meet Pidrutalagala mountain and you can travel to summit of this Pidrutalagala mountain by a car also. You have to take tickets, and after that this is a highly protected zone at this place. After passing Gampala, you can enter to this mountain. This is Pidrutalagala mountain. Can you write the name of Pidrutalagala?
Yes.
You should practice to write this name.
I know.
Piduru.
Talagala.
What is mean by Piduru? In Sinhala?
Piduru.
Piduru? Do you know what is Piduru?
Yes.
Straw. Pidrutalagala. She has written that name Piduru Talagala. Talagala.
Next we are going to talk about Adam's Peak.
What is Adam's Peak? This is Sri Pada. Normally we are calling it as Sri Pada, but all are known this as Adam's Peak. What is the reason for that? This is world famous as Adam's Peak. In Sri Lanka we are calling it as Samanala Kanda or Sri Pada. Why we are calling it as Sri Pada?
Because
What is the importance of this mountain?
our Lord Buddha stepped one.
Lord Buddha has placed Lord Buddha's footprint there. Buddhists are believing there is Lord Buddha's footprint there. But in our country, there are Tamils and Christians also, no?
Yes.
You know? Then Tamils also in our country, then Christians are believing this is their God, that Shiva or Hanuman's Adam or someone. That's why they are calling this as Adam's Peak. Adam's means Sinhala name, I think Adam. Then there are so many Christians in the world now. Therefore, this is world famous as Adam's Peak, not Buddha's Peak. But here in Sri Lanka, there are majority of Sri Lankans are Buddhist. Therefore, they are believing this as Lord Buddha's footprint. Lord Buddha has arrived to Sri Lanka 3 times. You don't know that, no? You know that? What is the place? We went there in Kelaniya. At 3rd time, Lord Buddha came to Kelaniya to solve a fight, like you and Akka is fighting.
No.
Then that 2 kings were fight. Then Lord Buddha came.
We are not fighting like that.
Lord Buddha came to solve that fight. At that time, Lord Buddha came to Sri Pada also. At that 3rd visit, came to Sri Pada also, and people are believing this is our Lord Buddha's footprint. That's why pilgrims are traveling to this place in every year. It starts from December to Vesak festival time. nearly 6-month period is there. But listen for Sripada also. It starts. We can enter to this Sripada from Ratnapura area.
Yes.
Ratnapura side means from Panadura to we can travel to
guys.
Ratnapura. Then other than that we can travel to Hatton and then we can enter to Hatton Nallathaniya side also to see this, visit this Sripada. Then there is somewhere called Nallathaniya. After passing Nallathaniya, we have to climb up 11,000 steps. Can you climb up 11,000 steps there?
I
Can?
can climb 10 steps.
That's why you have to travel there after you become adult or nearly grade 8 you can travel there. Then 11,000, while we are traveling 11,000 steps, it will take nearly 4-5 hours, but people are traveling to this place to see the sunrise also. We can see sunrise here in this picture. You can see our sunrise here. Normally we are visiting sunset every day at the sea beach. This is sunrise. It's very attractive scene. Therefore pilgrims start to travel at night. Then early morning they can reach to this place. While climbing up 11,000 steps, it's very tired experience. Then what they are doing? We are calling in Sinhala to the hiking of Sripada Karuna Karanava. Sripada Karuna Karanava, like that people are practicing to tell like that. Then while they are traveling, they are singing some songs also. That like this Vandala Bahina Mena Data Buddhan Sarane Saranai Vandinayana Menangit Dhamman Sarane Saranai. Like that they are singing. While they are singing those poems, they don't feel any tired. You also like that now? While you are playing, you don't feel any tired. If there is any studies, you feel so tired and so sleepy, no? Then after climbing up for nearly 2-3 kilometers, there are some places called Ambalama. Do you know what is Ambalama?
No. No.
Ambalama is something like small house. You can rest at that place, you can sleep and you can sit down and take a rest at this place. After taking some rest and after taking some foods and any medicine, again you can start your travel after some times. There are few Ambalamas. While you are traveling, you can meet those Ambalamas. After starting traveling from this Ambalama, you can meet a waterfall named Sita Gangula. So many pilgrims are taking bath from this Sita Gangula, but that water is very cold. Therefore, some people are not taking bath, but most of them are taking bath from this Sita Gangula before traveling Sripada. Then after Sita Gangula also you can meet some Ambalama. Then there is somewhere called Haramitipana also. In Haramitipana also have to do something. I don't remember what we should do at Haramitipana. And after that, after passing so many kilometers and after feeling tired, you will reach to Patamaluva. There is some special things you have to do for newcomers. If you are traveling at first time, you didn't travel to Sripada, no? If you are hoping to travel at first time, you have to wear white clothes, you have to cover your hair, I think. You have to
Like Tamil people.
you have to go under the
Bridge.
that white cloth. All are taken under the white cloth.
yeah.
And there is some place at that Pathamaluva, before climbing up that Ahasgau, after the climbing of that Ahasgau, there is place called Ahasgau. Those steps are Pathamaluva. At Pathamaluva, there is a place called Idikatupana. You have to bring needle and thread to at that place. You have to place that needle and thread. I don't know what is the purpose of that, but this is for God Sumana Saman. Do you know that white color animal, God with white color animal on those pictures? That is God Sumana Saman.
That means
I don't remember the animal of that God Sumana Saman.
God for God.
Normally he said that God is at Saman Devalaya. People are believing that God Sumana Saman is the one who is protecting the Sripada from enemies. He is the one who is protecting this Sripada. So many kings have done so many things to this to protect this Sripada. They have built steps, staircases, so many things. But normally people are believing God Sumana Saman is the one protecting this Sripada. Then therefore to take blessings from God Sumana Saman, we are placing that needle and thread there. After that you can climb to the that Udamaluva. That is the upper footprint of our Lord Buddha. Once you are going at that Udamaluva, there is bell.
We should ring the bell.
Yes. If you visit this place earlier also,
How about the bell is big, long?
no, there is rope, no. In every temple there are bells, no.
Our temple don't have.
But there is no rope, no.
There is a rope, but she's rope.
You saw? Then here there is rope. If you visit that at that first time, you have to ring the bell at one time only. Some people are traveling to this place
How
nearly
about
3-4 times.
when we sit there 10 times?
You have to ring the bell 10 times. That is the
How
theory.
times you go, you should also ring the bell.
We don't want to bring the bell. Bell is there. Then
We should ring the bell how much you go.
how many times you have gone. Then you can see the this sunrise also at this place. You can see how sun is rising at that place nearly at 5:30 early morning. You can see as 5:30 before 6 o'clock. You can see sunrise. And then people are telling sun is worshipping to our Lord Buddha's footprint.
What?
That's why we can see sunrise like this here. In other mountains we can't see sunrise, no. Only here. This is, I think, this is eastern side of from eastern side of our country. That's why we can see sunrise. Sun is rising from east, no. That's why. Then these are the things we have to learn. We have to know about Adam's Peak, largest, second tallest mountain in Sri Lanka. You know what are the rivers starting from this place? That's
Kalani,
Mahaveli, Kalani, Walave, Kalu Yana Ganga, Samanala. That's
Kalani, Kalu.
Mahaveli, Kalani, Walave, Kalu Yana Ganga, Samanala Kanda Mudune Sita, Penananga. Then that is, but Mahaveli is not starting from here. Mahaveli is starting from Kirigalpotha mountain. Only Walave, Kalu and Kalani. Kalani from where? up to Kalaniya. That river is traveling up to Kalaniya. Kalu up to Kalutara. Walave is at where? Walave is at. This is third one. What can you tell me the name of this mountain range? What is this mountain? Can you tell me the name of this mountain? No.
Peak.
No. Can you write the name of this?
I already drawn.
Knuckles.
Yeah.
Where? Knuckles. Remember the name of this Knuckles mountain range. Knuckles. Knuckles mountain range. There are nearly 33 mountains. You can meet this place in Kandy Matale side. And there you can enter to this mountain from Thangapur village. In Thangapur village, that is very rural area, and most of the hikers are hiking this place. Very interesting natural places. This very unique things you can observe while you are hiking this place. Greenish environment. And very rural area, therefore you don't have electricity or any facilities there, but there are some hotels also here. You can have village foods and drinks also, same as that. Instead of that electricity, you can have that lights, that other kerosene oil light, those things are there in this place. Very interesting mountain series are there. This is called Knuckles Mountain. Now we have learned about this
3 mountains.
Pidrutalagala Mountain, Adams Peak, and Knuckles. Don't forget to remember the shape of these 3 mountains are different.
Yeah.
Pidrutalagala is like this. That Adams Peak is very beautiful. Knuckles also very beautiful. So many hikers are traveling to this place. Once you become elder, you can travel. Don't forget to travel this place, Knuckles Mountain Range. These are the mountains in Sri Lanka. You can see how is the shape of Adams Peak. This is Adams Peak. That means Samanala Kanda. You can see the shape of Adams Peak. This is our first mountain. It's having first rank. This is Pidrutalagala. See, you can enter to this place, Pidrutalagala mountain. Other than that, there are some other mountains. Kirigalpotta. This is where that our Mahavali tree is starting. Kirigalpotta. Shapes are different. This is Namunukula. This is Unnasgiri, and this is Gonagala. This is Hantana, where all of university students are traveling and hiking to this place. This is Hantana. You can enter to this from Peradeniya University. Our Knuckles mountain is not here. We call it as in Sinhala as Dumbara mountain. These are the mountains in Sri Lanka. Here, now we have come to the end. I think you have got some knowledge about these 3 mountains today. This is the place which you can visit these three mountains. You can see it in dark brown color. Show me. This is the central province. These are located in central province of our country, in Nuwara Eliya and Hatton and Kandy district. You can see it in Sri Lankan map. In this dark brown area, you can see all these mountains. These are the. This is the central part of our country. This is Sri Lankan map. You can see central part of Sri Lankan map. These three mountains. Then thank you very much for watching us.
Like and subscribe and share for Himu Pool,
We have-
Learning Pool.
We have changed our name as Himu's Learning Pool.
So like and subscribe and share.
Thank you.